everybody, and thank you for joining us on the Ruckus Crawler channel. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing of a little boat I bought. A while ago we went for a little adventure to an RC shop, and there I was thinking, I was like, oh my god, what is my boyfriend gonna buy? I had that fear in me because there's a lot of temptations everywhere, but it turns out I was actually the one who spent the most money that day, and I got this cute little boat here that caught my eye. This is the RC Pro Sonic19 V2, and it has not been opened yet. The tape is still on there, so we're gonna rip it open momentarily and take a look at what's inside. Take a little peek at what's in this box here, governor! Alright, let's take a little peek at what it says on the back of the box here. 14 plus. You've got to make sure you're over 14 to use this boat. Thankfully I am. It also has a water cooling system with a top speed of 30 kilometers per hour. So it is school zone safe. It has a low voltage cutoff. So it will let you know when it's time to come back to shore, so you don't have to swim all the way out and grab your boat, especially if the weather's not hot outside or anything. And it has a large torsion propeller. It's got a high capacity 7.4 volt battery. It has a brushed motor with a pretty big control range on there. So we're gonna have to test that out and see how far it can go before I gotta swim with the leeches in the lake. Okay. This boat also has a self-righting feature, so it'll flip over if you tip over. Included in the package is a display stand, so you can show this off to all your friends and be like, look how cool I am. There's also a manual, in case you're like me and you actually don't really know what you're doing. You can read the manual or just try to figure it out on your own and be like, why isn't this working? Oh yeah, I should have read the instructions. Okay, you're gonna rip her open? Alright, let's get this beast ripped open. I don't need an X-Acto knife, I've got nails. My name is Kat. I do have claws. Oh, come on. Nothing to see here, no struggling. Alright. Oh, there's more tape. I'm not gonna be nice about this anymore, I'm just gonna rip it open. Okie doke. There it is. Get on out of there. Woohoo! Look at this. Can't wait to take this out for a rip on the lake. Look at that right there. It spins. It steers. This thing's pretty cool. I really do like the color actually as well. I was torn though. There was one of those little RC croc heads at the RC store. And yeah, I was honestly really tempted to get that. We don't have crocodiles in our area, but I thought it'd be really funny to go to a lake, you know, one with children swimming in it, and to kind of scare people. But I went with this one instead, because I feel like this one, you know, I might not be allowed back in any of the lakes here that we have in our area if I was scaring people with a crocodile head. Okay, alright, let's flip over this big chunk of foam here, and it will reveal... That was really squeaky. It'll reveal the controller. It's got like a little shark fin on the top. I'm sure that's not what it is, but that's what it reminds me of. Open. There we go. Ooh, throttle trim. Power LED, frequency LED, off, on, power. Yeah. Let's see what else. Battery, obviously. Charger. And this is the stand. And looks like there's like another little propeller in there. And these little pokey things. Let me find the term for those. Oops. Oh, it's on the other part that I ripped off. The pokey things are the nose guard, I guess? So I guess these will guard your nose while you're RCing out on the lake. Okay, well, give you a closer look here. For those of you that are interested in this pretty sweet boat. Ooh, look at that. Back there. You'll see it. Pretty cool. We're going to take this out onto one of our very many lakes that we are very fortunate to live around today, and we're going to see how this thing goes on the water. I'm very excited to check it out. That's it for now. We'll catch you guys at the lake. And here we are at this beautiful lake where this fine boat will take its first plunge into the deep. All right, I've never operated one of these before, so this might be a failure. We will see on its maiden voyage. Nice gently in the water. Maybe I'll push it a little bit. Get her out there. Still on. All right, let's see. Woo! It's not turning. I don't know why. Bye. Yeah, it's beeping at me. Maiden voyage. It's not turning. I don't know why.
There, it started turning there. Yeah, it's that other button's the trim for the steering.
Yeah, I suck at this. I might have to swim over and go get it. Okay, I warned you that I'd probably suck at it, and I did. I might have to, unfortunately, not drive this and get my boyfriend to the Ruckus crawler to do it, because I clearly can't. Oh Lord. Okay, I gotta swim out and get it. I gotta swim! Cue Baywatch music. Just kidding. I'm on a rescue mission, my hair tied in a stupid bun, to go and rescue the friggin' boat. So, I shall return. There are lake snakes in this water. We encountered one last time and it was swimming right at us. And we're like, why is it swimming at us? Is it gonna turn away? And no, it didn't. It came right at us. We had to like splash water at it. So hopefully my friend the lake snake's not over there today. Yeah, let's get the fuck in the water. I'm coming for you, bro. Hang on. I'm on the TikTok channel. It'll be okay. I'm gonna get to you. I'm coming. Hang on. I'm gonna swim past all the lake snakes. I just got splashed in the face, thanks. I really appreciate that. I can't open my eyes. Thanks for getting me right in the face. I can't see
It's going right back for the
It
reeds.
got me right in the face. Alright, I'm doing this. Fine.
Sweetie,
Yeah?
you gotta go back for it.
Fuck. Oh. Alright. Oh, I gotta go back into the nest. Ew. Ew, I'm gonna get the lake snake dead. Oh my god. Ah. Oh. Fuck, okay, now. I'm looking away. Cross my face. Thank you. Oh.
Okay, I gotta put this down and figure this thing out.
Okay, let's see. Was it me? Was it the boat? Do I really just suck at this? Let's give it a shot. Okay, let's film it. Look at me now, bitches! Oh, come on, back up! Back up!
It's not a car, sweetie, it's a boat. It doesn't just back up.
So we're gonna get the Ruckus crawler to do this instead, because he actually knows what he's doing. Sorry, any ladies out there that are into RCs. I've disappointed us females.
Oh, it's out of range. That range isn't very good.
Guess I'm going back into the drink. Yeah, I was like, it has a huge range. That is not 150 meters.
No.
My friends.
My SCX-24 goes further than that.
It's still fun. It's still cool looking.
Cool boat. You like eating your donuts?
Here, maybe I'll try. I'm gonna give her a go.
Good luck getting it back now. See you later, bitches!
So that's him trying to back up and it doesn't work.
That's more of just a break.
Oh. Let's just try that one more time. You know, let's just pretend I didn't make a mistake twice in a row. Okay. There she goes. Woo! At least it's turning this time. Not very sharp, but still. Yeah, that's fun. Incoming! A perfect landing. This is its flipping, self-righting in action. So I guess if you do this and it's your first try, just like it's ours, do it on a nice day in really nice water. This lake here is actually free of leeches. Not lake snakes though. Look out, there's a lake snake behind you! And just like that, you can, you know, self-righting with ease. Its self-righting feature is amazing. You just have to do it yourself. It was like, you fucking talking shit about my self-righting feature? I'll fucking show you. Oh god. This is why it's 14 plus. Fuck. You need 14 plus legs because you're gonna lose them all. Alright, this is when you know it's low on batteries. It starts to grumble and it's tired, you know. See that grumble? Then you're like, oh shit, if you're out in the middle of the lake, then you might actually have to come and get it. But still fun. I would recommend. So angry.
Pretty fucking cool, gotta say.
Thanks everyone for joining us today and witnessing witnessing me in all my glory for this wonderful unboxing of this magical beast, this beast of the water. It is pretty sweet. You know, I'll get the hang of it. I will. And now there's more of a reason for myself and for Mr. Ruckus Crawler to come out to the lake more often. Ooh, there she goes. Don't want to get my phone wet. Anywho, thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll see less of me, I promise. More of Mr. Ruckus Crawler, your favorite guy. All right, thank you. See you later.